Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mohammed Afzal. So let's start the video today. My topic is YouTube Shorts monetization. How to make money from YouTube Short. What does YouTube Short mean for creator? What are the requirements and how any have any main places change? Let's talking monetizing YouTube Short. As of 2023, you can finally start earning money on your YouTube short with monetization. But how does it affect creators? What are the requirements? And have any main places change? Let's dig into what monetizing YouTube short actually means. Is YouTube short monetized? Before 2023, you could not make any money on YouTube short in the traditional sense. There was a YouTube short monetization fund which dished out a not to be sniffed at $100 million to the platform top creator. But what about the small fries and the up and comers? Well, from February 1, 2023, YouTube short monetization become available for most creators. This is thanks to a new advertising revenue sharing model for short, which replaced the YouTube short monetization fund. How does YouTube short monetization work? Monetizing YouTube short hinges on a new factors, following the rules, accepting the terms, and reaching the monetization threshold. In a nutshell, once you are eligible to monetize, you shall receive payouts from the YouTube short creator pool. Here the lowdown YouTube short monetization rule. If you want to know how to monetize YouTube short, you shall have to do a bit of reading. That's because the YouTube partner program YPP, which content creator join to earn money on the platform, has started rolling out some update terms and conditions. To remain in the YPP, you shall have to accept these new terms by July 10, 2023. Even if you are not looking to monetizing on YouTube Shorts specifically, you shall still need to read the and accept these terms. The main thrust of the update is opting into the below monetization models. Watch page monetization model, which allow you to keep earning money on any ads served across your long form live streams and YouTube premium content. Short monetization model, which allow you to earn money on YouTube short. The money comes from ads they shall play between short in the short feed. Commerce product addendum, which sounds confusing, but we promise is it is not just me. It means monetization will be covered for extra features like channel membership, super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. These terms have not changed, so if you are already using these features, you won't have to agree again. YouTube recommends that you opt into all of these models to ensure that you take full advantage for everything on offer. How to turn on YouTube Short. Once you have accepted the new terms, you need not worry. YouTube Short is getting monetized. If you miss the memo, you might need to head YouTube Studio on your web browser rather than the YouTube app and accept the terms over there. Now we have covered that. What about the YouTube short monetization rules? How do YouTube short make money and how can you get a slice of the pie? Let's take a look. Hope so you will like my video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.